On this episode of Fast Friends, I met up with my Motogymkhana club to do a training day at the CamRiders Warwick motorcycle school. Try saying that 10 times really fast.
ここからは SB クラス上位6選手を見ていきますが、フロントアップでド迫力のスタートダッシュ。
If you've never heard of Motogymkhana, the short version is, it's an international motorcycle sport, born in Japan, based around relatively slow speed maneuvers and agility in tight spaces. People compete against each other on a variety of different courses. Fastest rider wins. In practice, what this translates to is incredibly useful road riding skills, lots of laps with a good crew, and learning from each other. My favorite thing about Motogym, you can do it on pretty much any bike, at pretty much any level of experience.
Hold on to me, okay?
Motogymkhana was incredibly beneficial to me when I first started learning how to ride. It continues to grow me as a rider years later. One of the best things about Motogym, it's cheap. Like, really cheap. The national competitions are flashy, but the essence of the community consists of small groups of people meeting up in parking lots and practicing together. Anyone can start one. All you need are some traffic cones, a bike, and a place to practice. We have Andrew Freeman and Duncan McKillop to thank for the birth of Motogym here in the UK. And to an extent, the wider international community as well. A training day is where one of the national Motogymkhana clubs teams up with another motorcycle community to have an open day and introduce people to the sport and the skill set.
I want to ride it.
Huh?
I want to ride it.
You want to ride it? Okay, go on then.
It's family-friendly fun. Rider skills range from new CBTs to qualified advanced riders and even instructors. The Motogym instructors are experienced Motogymkhana riders themselves. Ian, Paul, and Joanna have all shared the podium in several of the national competitions over the years. We teamed up with the instructors at CamRiders and together taught some of the different tricks and techniques that are involved with getting a few hundred kilos of bike around some cones at a spirited pace. Ian and Joe brought out their custom-built Motogymkhana bikes for everyone to play on.
All yours. Thank you.
Motogym is always more fun when you're dropping someone else's bike. It was great watching some of the students start out kind of slow and not particularly confident, only to watch them progress to bombing their way through the course at full whack by the end of the day. Some of us even got to try each other's bikes. I can honestly say this is the biggest bike I've ever ridden.
God, what do you think of that? Amazing!
It's nice, isn't it?
It's nothing like I imagined.
No?
Nothing like I
Totally
imagined.
different,
It's
yeah.
so smooth. Nothing.
And you just enjoy it.
Try this.
Hey?
Is this the cue to try it?
All in all, it was a really great day out. Everyone pitched in to make it what it was, and a huge, huge thanks goes out to the Motogym Midlands instructors Hector, Luke, Max, Paul, Joanna, and of course, Ian, who set the whole thing up. Thanks to James of Shiny Side Up for all the help. And of course, none of this could have happened without all of the help and support of CamRider's Warwick Motorcycle School. Thank you to Martin and Mike for letting us come and play on your amazing bit of asphalt. Motogymkhana of West Midlands is incredibly thankful for the opportunity to come together like this and look forward to doing it again. Please get in touch with the Motogymkhana community, either through the website motogymkhana.co.uk or one of the various Facebook groups, or inquiring with CamRiders. Links and details are in the description. Thanks for watching.